9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello there. This is Saktivel welcoming you all. We've got a nice crowd coming in. We've got a shout out to Sokahato, Subhashini, Scrappy434, Prakash, Selvi17, the Invisible Killer, of course, Durai, Sai, Rasiga Venkat, Supersonic, and so on. So welcome each and every one of you. This is NumberRoyale, and I'm your host, Saktivel, for the next 10 minutes. We've got the most popular points show coming up now. So just, you just have to get your answers in. Even if you don't get it in, it's still okay. You would be able to play on. So this is the friendly mode, right? Where you can just continue playing even if you don't get it or you run out of time. So take your time, relax, get the answers in. We're just looking for the most popular version of the answer, and you get more points that way. All right. So we've got our 8 problems, and here comes question number 1. Seven, 6, 1, and the desired result is 2. The operators are just addition and subtraction. There are 8 possible solutions. So let's get your answers locked in, and we'll take a quick look at what the answers are. And this being the first one. Wow, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. 33 of you got it. And the others 7 gave a different answer, and they're both correct. So you get the leaders at 33 points. And let's move on to question 2. 10, 3, and 9 with a desired result of 4, just addition and subtraction. We're keeping it simple just so you get comfortable with it, and then we can always turn up the heat and make it a little bit more difficult as time goes by. There are 8 possible solutions, and let's see how many of them that you come up with. I know you're trying to match the answers with the others, so you get the maximum points. So here come the results. 31 of you have given the most popular answer, and the other answers are given by 3 and 3, and so on. So let's move on to question 3. 15, 5, and 10 with a desired result of 85. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication is in play. Obviously, you must use multiplication here somehow to get the answer. And if you are not able to play, Kevin, you must check your bandwidth. There is nothing we can do regarding your connectivity. So there's just one answer that was given by all 28 of you. 15 times 5 is 75 plus 10 is 85. So let's move on to question 4. 20, 2, and 5 with a desired result of 2. There are 3 possible solutions, so there's not a whole lot to pick from. And so you must try to get, there's division in play, obviously. So that's going to make it a little bit tricky. And I know that usually throws people off when you have a division. We're not used to dividing that much. So here's, let's see how many of you. That's very good. 17 of you got 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's 17 of you. So the leader now is at 109 points. Compare your points to him or her. And let's move on to question 5. 10.1, 7.2, 1.333, and the desired result is 4.233. And the solutions is, there are 8 possible solutions, and it's just addition and subtraction. So I see some comments about got it right, but so yeah, we'll check that out. Sorry about the inconvenience there. And I see 2 or 3 of you, Sriji, saying the same thing. So we've got 31 of you given the most popular answer, and the other 3 answers are given by 1 each. The leader is at 140, and Siddharth is also saying the same thing, and Pak is saying I did not get any points. So looks like there's some issues. Our engineers are watching the show as well, so are playing. Let them please take a look at it. And my apologies for you having this trouble. We will. I see Sai is also reporting the same thing. But we've got 36 of you be able to solve it. So I'm wondering whether it has connectivity issues, or let's figure it out as we move on. So let's move on to question 6. 4, 8, 5, and 1 with a desired result of 6. There are 60 possible solutions, and it's just addition and subtraction. And I see Subhashini, Sakti, and Selvi reporting on the same issue. We have a second show coming in as well, so we can. So you will get a chance to come back with it in the second show. So and Harita is also asking, can you check, please? Yeah, we can. We can do the checking, but it's a very dynamic show, so there's not a whole lot of time for us to do any troubleshooting while we are on the fly. So the 22 people have given the most popular answer, and the leader is at 162 points, and we've got question 7 coming up right now. Six, 22, 7, and 18 with a desired result of 17. So we've got 90 possible solutions. So let us see how many of you get this one in. And we've got, out of the 90 possible solutions, let's see, we're collecting the answers right now. And I hope you're able to, get, things moving. There are 6 possible solutions have been given, and 19 is the most popular. 19 people have given the most popular answer. 7 plus 6, 13, and then 22 minus 8 is 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. So you've got 19 people giving that answer, and 6 solutions have been given. So let's try the question number 8 at this point. 18, 15, 17, and 7. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play, and you've got a desired result of 13. There are 60 possible solutions, and see whether you can come up with at least one of them to get some points. The bell is ringing just before the time gets over, because we are giving you an alert 5 seconds ahead of time, okay? So that it gives you a heads up. So don't panic. You still have about 5 seconds. So no problem. All right. So 10 possible solutions out of the 60 have been given. The most popular solution is given by 10 of you. The leader is 191 points. So that concludes kind of this show that seems to have been. There's a lot of issues that are being reported, and so we'll have, as I said, our engineers are watching it, and so please take a look at this carefully and see what's going on. After the second show today, we will go through and troubleshoot and run and see what happens. So we'll keep you posted on that. And so let's move on and take a look at the winners. I know you're eager to report on that. So let's take a look at the winners list. So the total winners is 20 at 25 cents a piece. And the invisible killer, I guess this is another name for Corona. So he or she is at 191. Jayamani also is at 191. So there are co-champions, or they are the number royales for the day today. And And unusually, there's a big gap between the number royales and the rest. Scrappy 434 at 174, Dora 1817 at 169, Rasiga Venkat at 163. And so congratulations to each and every one of you, and the newcomers as well. Can you scroll down the last one? I see the name Pok Pok. I love saying the name Pok Pok. So, and he or she is also on as well. So congratulations to all 20 winners and everybody else who played and put up with a little bit of inconvenience here. We do have a second show coming up in about 20 minutes, and that one will be the elimination mode, right? You either get it right and you stay on, or you won't be allowed to play. So that's I've heard that that's a more thrilling version. So you have about 20 minutes. You can practice and get ready for that version. So we'll see you in 20 minutes. Until then, this is Saktivel reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play NumberRoyale every day. And in today's case, it'll be twice a day, right? See you soon. Thank you.